I just want to clean the microwave. Just a sec.
No, Mom, don't!
If you've ever wondered how we found over 100 broken items to fix for the channel, you just witnessed it.
Looks like a good book.
Cool.
Of course, for safety, unplug your unit. This particular model contains 4 Phillips screws on the rear and 1 on the side.
What brand is this? Is this a
Tappan?
Tappan?
That's not bad.
No, 95. That's. I can't even do the math on that. That's like 30 years old.
I labeled the connector F and B for front and back as a reminder of its orientation.
This is the Magnetron. It's what makes the microwaves inside of your microwave.
Doesn't that accelerate water particles? Isn't that what? I think that's what microwaves do.
So I've got the light bulb here and got this tang. Straighten that out.
Perhaps you'll be luckier than us, because this burnt out bulb was fused to its holder, and in trying to just swap out the bulbs, we destroyed the brittle plastic. But that's actually okay. Replacement bulbs can be purchased either with or without their corresponding base. Now simply maneuver the holder beneath its metal bracket and bend the retaining clip to secure it in place. Before attaching your power connector.
I did clean out a lot of the dirt that was on there.
But you notice there's some dirt. You left some down here on the Magnetron. This is kind of what causes fires a lot of times in a microwave.
Oh. Yep, she works. Nice. It's a little bit different color.
It is. It's like a white light.
Or like... Huh, okay, cool.
And just be careful if you have this open like that. There you've got live circuits.
Okay.
So don't touch anything over there.
It just doesn't seem like this sheet metal is going to block the radiation from that magnetron.
That's the same thing like this pattern, this on your glass, on every microwave. That's there to block the radiation.
That's cool.
That's why it's
I don't know how it would block, but yeah.
It does, like that pattern.
Yeah.
And then you wanted to be able to see your food. And so that pattern somehow allows you to be able to see your food and block the radiation.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, how's she work?
That looks nice and bright.
It is. It seems blue.
It does.
But
let's just go like quick time.
1 second.
I thought it would be like.
As you can see, the new bulb really offers excellent lighting, and because it's LED, will draw less electricity and will probably outlast the life of this microwave. Now, Mom will quickly demonstrate how to properly clean this unit. Thanks for watching.